Scott Off-Road, how you doing today? Well, we're back in the garage. The project mission to Haiti Jeep is back with us, and we started working on it the other day. But we got the go-ahead. We're starting on it. We're waiting on sponsors. So we're just going to go over real quickly what we're doing with the headliner. It was obviously sagging down. It rubbed your head. It was just a pain in the butt and ugly. And the videos I watched, they all talked about having a little fun with it, so that's what we're going to do. I talked to Mission to Haiti, and they gave us the go-ahead to add some color and have some fun. So I went to the local fabric store, Joann's, here in town, and they had some fabric that was decent priced. Then it was like 60% off on sale for clearance, and then it was another 15% off, I believe, for military veteran discount. So got a real good price on it. It's gonna be a lot of fun. It should look pretty neat when it's in, at least I hope so. But I'll walk you through. Like I said, we've got the headliner out. That was a little bit of a chore in itself, just dusty and dirty. And then we scraped off all the foam from the old headliner. And that sucked. That was 10 to 15 minutes just rubbing it with a rough, stiff bristle brush and just needing to walk away from it for a day, come back, we'll rub it down some more for about another day, and then come back and just kept doing that. And I think I've got it pretty well cleaned. I've went and found, I had to hit like 4 different stores to find the recommended adhesive, and that's the 3M Super 77. And that's what we're going to go with. I've heard really good things about it on the other videos I watched, so that's what we're going to try. Again, I'll link the other video to it, and I'll just kind of fast forward the spray adhesive of this, and then we'll just kind of go from there.